all muscles are involved. So sir, kahit napakaliit na muscles nan, okay, kasama yan sa titigas. Lahat ng muscle na meron kayo sa katawan. Basta nangyari ang rigor mortis, lahat yan ay involved. On the other hand, mga pre, kung at a very spasm, certain tamang. Sir, anong ibig sabihin ng certain group of muscle? Ibig sabihin, yung part lang ng katawan, yung part lang ng katawan mo na naka-experience ng trauma or violence ang tumor 29. Below are the situations below the situations that the Miranda rule does not apply except. So, sir, tingin na may word na except, may word na not. Ano nga sabi ko? Kapag may ganyan, ang galin mo yung not, ang galin mo yung except. Okay, basahin ulit natin. Below are the situations that the Miranda rule as applied. Ang anong hinahanap ngayon? Ano dito sa mga situation sa baba kung saan mag-a-apply ang Miranda rule. Yun ang hinahanap ngayon, yun yung konsepto ng tanong. Tingnan natin. Letter A. Interview of suspects who are not their custody and in custody but are not being questioned. Okay? Applicable ba dyan ang custodial investigation? Yes or no? No. Tandaan mo mga pre, ano bang ibig sabihin ng custodial investigation? It is any questioning initiated by law enforcement officer after a person has been taken into the custody. Ibig sabihin mga pre, custodial investigation mag-a-apply lamang pag ikaw ay under ng kustodiya ko bilang isang pulis o ay nagtanong sa'yo. After ka ng custodial investigation. Pero, kung ikaw ay under ng aking custody pero hindi pa ako nagtatanong, you are not under custodial investigation. So, ibig sabihin, applicable ba dito ang Miranda rule? No, hindi i-a-apply ang Miranda rule. Letter B, questioning initiated by a police after a person has been taken into the custody. C, voluntary statements of suspect in custody and general on the scene questioning. O sir, voluntary statement of suspect in custody and general on the scene questioning. Ibig sabihin, naandun sa crime scene tayo ay nagtatanong. Yun ba ay part ng custodial investigation? No. Anong tawag doon? Yung pagtatanong mismo sa crime scene. Ang tawag doon ay field inquiry. Tinatawag yun bilang tao. Okay, ang isang investigator or police officer, habang siya ay nasa crime scene, ang tawag doon ay walang iba kundi field inquiry. Now, applicable ba dito ang Republic Act 7413? No. Okay? Letter D. Statement made by the suspect to a private party. Private individual. Halimbawa, kayo, umamin kayo sa akin. Okay, is it considered, is it part of custodial investigation? Tandaan mo, ang custodial investigation ay, the answer is letter C, char. Okay, next. Number 31. Ito na, ulit na lamang. Okay? What type of witness must be permitted to tell lies until he is well enmeshed with his falsehood and inconsistencies? Okay, ang tawag yan ay deceitful. Ano nga ang tawag natin sa mga witness na usually shy and self-confident? Timid witness. Kaya yung mga klase ng witness that are valuable but also dangerous. Boasting. Anong other term? Egoistic or egocentric. Okay? So, 31, letter A, ang 31, letter A. Next, number 32. JM is the suspect in the murder of Pedrin. After vigorous interrogation, JM declared ownership of the firearm used in the murder of Pedrin. However, he maintains that he did not kill Pedrin and he does not know who or how Pedrin got killed. In the above case, the same is considered as blank. Sir, ano po ba yung tinutukoy ditong the same? Ang tinutukoy dito is yung statement na in-execute ni JM. Okay? Ulitin natin ha. Ang sabi, si JM daw ay suspect sa pagpatay kay Pedring. Ngayon, after interrogation, ang sabi ni JM, Sir, may-ari ko po yung firearm. Pero hindi ko ang pumatay kay Pedring at hindi ko rin alam kung paano at sino ang pumatay sa kanya. Yung statement na binitawan ko, ano daw ang tawag namin dyan? Or it is considered as what? Confession or admission? O sa tanggalin natin yung cooperation, tanggalin natin yung extradition, yung statement ang tinutukoy. Is it a confession or admission? Bakit? Natawag ko na sabi na direct okay, acknowledgement of pumatay kay Pedring. Confession yan. Okay? Now, ano yung admission? Tama kayo to, facts lang ang inamin. Okay? Pero yung facts ng pag-amin niya, tatandaan nyo, it is a what? Self-incriminatory. Okay? So, falling short to acknowledgement of guilt. Falling short to the acknowledgement of guilt. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, it is a statement of facts. Okay? Statement of. So, sa number 32, the answer will be trap. So, number 32, the answer is trap. Next number. Number 32. Okay, next number. Number 33. Okay, naulit lang ito. A stole a very huge amount of money from the house of B by entering through the gates left open and through the doors left unlocked. While everyone was